Hey, I'm Philip from inFlow support team. Today I wanted to quickly go over how you can use two-factor authentication with your inFlow account. By default, this is going to be enabled and you're going to be getting emails sent to you with the verification password that you need to use to log in. Personally, myself, I don't like having to do that and I would much rather use an authenticator app. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly set that up on your account. To do that, you're going to first have to log into your account, so you will have to use that email verification the first time. Then you can click on your name in the top right, go down to personal settings, and here at the bottom you're going to see two-factor authentication settings. So here it says you can choose between email, which is what is by default, or an authentication app, which is what's recommended. So to set this up, all you're going to have to do is click on the authenticator app. It's going to ask you to open the authenticator app of your choice, scan this QR code, and then once you've done that, you're going to be able to get these codes from inside there. So I'm just going to open up my phone. And so you can use different authenticator apps. I personally use the Google Authenticator one, which you can find in the Play Store like I've already searched here. Since I've got it, I can just hit open. Now it's going to ask me to add a code. Here we go, so add an authenticator code. To do this, I'm going to scan a QR code, which we can see, it's pulling up my computer. I'm going to scan the code. And it's not going to show on here for privacy reasons or anything like that, but as simple as that, it's actually now added. I can show you this way. It's now added a little thing that shows my inFlow account, and it's got a code that will refresh every, I think it's like 60 seconds or something, every so often. This code now, all I have to do anytime that I want to log in, so I do have to enter the verification code one time to get it finished set up. So let me enter that in and enable it. There we go. So now we can say, oops. You can now see that my primary setup is to use the Authenticator app. If you ever want to change this, you can disable it by clicking on it again. It's going to ask you, saying that you're no longer going to be able to use that app to get into it. So you can definitely do that and switch back to email if you want. Simple as that, you've actually got it set up. I can just show you really quickly. Basically now what it'll do when I go to log in, go. So once we get in there, oh, it's asking if I'm human, which I think I am. And there we go. So it's now asking for my verification code. It's not sending me that email anymore, and I can just open up my phone and type in the code that's on there, and that's going to let me back into my account. So really super simple to set up. Personally, I find this easier than getting my email every single time, but it's up to you which way you prefer. Thanks, I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.